If you are more than 45 years and attain menopause, pregnancy seems unbelievable, is it? But with the modern techniques of IVF, we can bring back your menstruation and the uterus can be made ready for a pregnancy with a pretty good success rate.
Ka Sekolah Bah Assam Don Bosco University ke Penlong ya ka convocation lane ke jingyalang penkup kerdan ke Bakhatar ha ka arpulai terik unai luar arhajar arpulai ha ka ba ulat ke Jela Assam u Gulab Chan Kataria ulalong kongsan ha ka jingdan lang Vice Chancellor Father Dr. Jos Paleli u Pro Vice Chancellor Father Joseph Nelanat ki Director kinohikai ki hena pulia bat kibai-kibai. Habakran ke negesni Gulab Chan Kataria ulat ke Jela Assam ubreru u visitor jong ke Sekolah Bah ulong baki kena pulia nado ke negesni kilalong kita kibladan ke jing tip bat kisap ki ban penla ki bandrong ha ki jakat rekam boper bat bagi netrelang bat ki babuan ki kena samla ki badan lagi jong ki jing terang ki jing ijingai bat ki jing bot boper ulat ulai ku bleiru ya ke Sekolah Bah Assam Don Bosco University kabala penurlong bat pentrekam ya ke National Education Policy NEP Arhajar Arpau mentang kesnem bat bagilah penlongi program na kebenta ban pentibet dikinohikai bat ban penwandur biang ya kejing pulih kat kum ke NEP na kaliang u Vice Chancellor ulai kublai ki kena da keboong ba ke perthai menta ke ap kemi lenti bagi ne ki kena ke balapas bagian long kinong sandur bat kinong lam lenti Ula kerpat rugi kena bagian nang man perkat ekalawe jong kari kam tam ha kabaydai bat kakot kakya bat kamariang. Ka Sekolah Bah Assam Don Bosco University kala penkup kerdan ya Syahajar Arspa Prapun Rengut Gisamla bat napdeng kini sanspa san pusangut kila opdiang ya ke bachelor's degree ha ke engineering ke basic sciences ke commerce ke management bat humanities. News pak life wingut kala opdiang ya ke master degree ha kita nak punya beper jong ke engineering ke science ke commerce ke management bat kibai-kibai. La penkup buramru ya arp laingut ke samla pulia ke bala pendep ya ke PhD. Ha kane ka jingalang penkup kerdan ya ki gold medal ru Assam syik samla pulia ke buan syakmat ki jing pulia jongki. Kalong ru ke jing sarong ya ke Jela Meghalaya ha ke baprangut ke samla pulia na kane ke Jela kila yo iki gold medal ki bakentup ya i bijaksan marbanyang ha ke BA philosophy i balasuk lang kriam mujad i balayo gold medal ha ke MSc chemistry i dapisha shongwan i balayo gold medal ha ke MSc mathematics i Diana Sumer i balayo gold medal ha ke MA economics i bayai pernai nongklau i balayo gold medal ha ke MA public administration i Ranishas Imli i balayo gold medal ha ke BTech CVE i Viralina Vima Sengkon i balayo ya ke gold medal ha ke MCom bat i bapen shingan lang nong kendri i balayo gold medal ha ke MCA. Mentang kesnemru ya ke nam Father Mavli gold medal layo dau dap bok lang renja na ke MSc Bioscience bat ke nam Shri JN Bauri Memorial gold medal layo da ka Priyanka Chetri na ke BTech Computer Science. Ya kini kita kemal laju ai kisam la pulia kibala ado omtang ha kejung pulia jungki dari kibadan dengan mensi merap ak emlang salang bat kumta cikibuan cekmat ha baro kiliang.
You two are embarking on a journey, one that involves building a nation. Whatever is your nation and nationality, you are asked to contribute to building a nation. Your education here has equipped you, whether it is offline or online, has equipped you with knowledge, skills, and potential to be builders of our great nations. Building nation means recognizing that our nation, like any grand structure, requires a strong foundation. This foundation is built upon the values of integrity, inclusivity, truthfulness, and compassion. It is constructed through the bricks of education, innovation, and hard work. It is adorned with the pillars of leadership, democracy, responsibility, and empathy. You, the graduating students of today, are the architects of tomorrow. You hold the blueprints to shape the future, to construct a society that is equitable, sustainable, and prosperous. It is yours and mine responsibility to use our knowledge and skills to solve the challenges that our world faces, whether in the realms of science and technology, healthcare, education, or social justice.